Indian Railways, which is going to give bullet train to the country, has made steady progress in this journey. Many visionary leaders of the country have contributed in the development of Indian Railways. Along with building the Republic, rail transport also made the lifeline of the nation. The racist behavior during the train journey in South Africa changed the course of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi's life. Mahatma Gandhi made the railway, which was laid by the British to rule India, made the same railway a weapon of freedom struggle and used the railway to unite the whole country. As a result, railways became an important part of the life of Indians. The tradition of the father of the nation was continued by the first president of the country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the only president who made most of his travels in the country by rail. He believed that the diverse culture of the country can be seen and understood only by rail. This was the beginning of President Saloon in Indian Railways. After this, many presidents of the country till Dr. Abdul Kalam used the President Saloon on various occasions, which is an example of the credibility of the railways. Recently, the current first citizen of the country, Shri Ram Nath Kovind, used the railway for his Kanpur journey. But the dream of one nation, one rail would have been difficult to fulfill if India did not have a visionary leadership like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel, with his understanding and commitment to nation building, united the country, which was divided into hundreds of states at that time. Along with the country, the railways also came under one leadership. Today there is a wide network of railways in the whole of India, the credit of which goes to the Iron Man of the country. The journey of progress of railways was going on, but it has been given a new zeal and speed by the visionary and efficient leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This thinking of New India has given doubling force to the development of Indian railways along with every sector. Those parts of the country have also rapidly come on the rail network, which had hitherto been cut off from the mainstream. Due to the will of Prime Minister Narendra Modi working on a war footing, the Indian Railways built the country's first Green Building Certificate Kevadia station and thus opened another tourist rail route leading to the Statue of Unity. Bullet train and the goal of becoming the world's first green rail transport has also been made possible by this visionary leadership. Visionary leadership, progressive transport, Indian Railways.